Welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss the design of DFA where nth symbol from the right side is 1 over 0 and 1. Let's start the session. So first we will design a DFA over 0 and 1 which accept all string in which the second symbol from the right side is 1. What it means, last symbol can be 0 or 1 because sigma is given as 0 and 1. But the second symbol must be 1 and after that any combination of 0 and 1 can occur. So first we will design an FA for these kind of problems. So there can be any number of 0 and 1. On reading of 1 we will move to another state and after that we will read 0 or 1 and we will move into the final state. Let's call it as Q0, Q1 and Q2. So first we will design the transition table for the designed NFA. So on reading of 0, we are moving to Q0. On reading of 1, we are moving to Q0 and Q1. On Q1, if we will read 0, we will move to Q2. On reading of 1, we will move to Q2. And on Q2, there is no transition. Now we will convert this NFA into DFA. So Q0 will be our initial state in the DFA. On reading of 0, we will remain in Q0. On reading of 1, we will move to Q0, Q1 state. So let's pause. Q0 represents the initial state of the DFA. There is a self loop of 0. And on reading of 1, we will move to Q0, Q1. Now we will consider Q0, Q1. So under 0, it is Q0, Q2. So on reading of 0, we will move to Q0, Q2. On reading of 1, we will move to Q0, Q1, Q2. That is union of Q0, Q1 with Q2. So on reading of 0, we will move to Q0, Q2. On reading of 1, we will move to Q0, Q1, Q2. Now we will consider Q0, Q2. Under 0, we will take union of these two states, that is Q0. Under 1, we will take union of these two states, that is Q0, Q1. So on reading of 0, we will move back to the initial state. And on reading of 1, we will move back to Q0, Q1. Now we will consider Q0, Q1, Q2. So we will observe 3 rows at a time. So under 0, it is Q0, Q2 and blank. So we will get Q0, Q2. Under 1, it is union of Q0, Q1 with Q2. So we will get Q0, Q1, Q2. So on reading of 0, we will move to Q0, Q2. And there is a self loop of 1 on Q0, Q1, Q2. Now in the NFA, Q2 is the final state. Q2 is appearing in Q0, Q2. So it will be our final state as well as Q0, Q1, Q2 will be the final state. Now we will design a DFA that will accept all string in which the third symbol from the right hand side is 1. So first symbol from the right hand side can be 0 or 1. Second symbol can be 0 or 1. But the third symbol must be 1. And after that any combination of 0 and 1 can occur. So we can able to convert this into NFA with Q0 as the initial state. There is a self loop of 0 and 1 on Q0. On reading of 1, we will move to Q1. On reading of 0 or 1, we will move to Q2. And on reading of 0 and 1, we will move to Q3 state and Q3 will become the final state. Now we will design the transition table for the given NFA. Q0 is the initial state, Q1, Q2, Q3. On reading of 0 and 1, on reading of 0, we will move to Q0. Here we will move to Q0, Q1. On Q1, reading of 0, we will move to Q2, Q2. On reading of 0 on Q2, we will move to Q3. On reading of 1, we will move to Q3. Now we will convert this NFA into DFA. So Q0 will be the initial state in DFA. On reading of 0 and on reading of 1, On reading of 0, we will move to Q0. On reading of 1, we will move to Q0, Q1. Consider Q0 will be the initial state. On reading of 0, there will be a self loop. On reading of 1, we will move to a state Q0, Q1. Now we will consider Q0, Q1 and we will observe these two rows at a time. So under 0 it is Q0, Q2. Under 1 it is Q0, Q1 and Q2. So on 0 we will move to Q0, Q2. On reading of 1 we will move to Q0, Q1, Q2. So we will consider Q0, Q2. So under 0 it is Q0, Q3. So it is Q0, Q3. Under 1 it is union of Q0, Q1 with Q3. So we will get Q0, Q1, Q3. Now we will take Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q3 and we will consider Q0, Q1, Q3. So we will observe Q0, Q1, Q2 at a time. So we will get Q0, Q2, Q3, Q0, Q2, Q3 and under 1 we will get Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So it will be Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So we will take Q0, Q2, Q3 and Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Under 0 we will observe Q0 and Q3. So it is Q0 and blank. So we will move to Q0. Under 1 it is Q0, Q1 and blank over here. So we will move to Q0, Q1. Now we will take Q0, Q1, Q3. So Q0, Q1 and Q3. Take their union, we will get Q0, Q2. Under 1 we will get Q0, Q1, Q2 and blank. So Q0, Q1, Q2. We already taken Q0, Q2 and Q0, Q1, Q2. Now we will take Q0, Q2, Q3. That is Q0, Q2, Q3. So under 0 it is Q0, Q3. So we will mention Q0, Q3. Under B it is Q0, Q1, Q3, Q0, Q1, Q3. Now we will consider Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So we will take union of all these Q0, Q2, Q3 and under 1 we will get Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. In the NFA, Q3 is our final state. So Q3 is presenting in Q0, Q3. So it will be the final state. This one will be also be the final state as Q3 is presenting. This one will be also the final state as well as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 is also the final state. Similarly, you can able to try out the DFA design in which the fifth symbol from the right hand side is 1. Thanks for watching this session.